po mga ka-Inday, for today's throwback video po ay gagalat tayo sa Jordan. So this was on June 2023, so super throwback na po talaga siya. Sana po makahelp pong video na ito sa mga aspiring travelers na mga short trip lang, kumbaga 3 days lang po ang travel na ito. So I am currently a UAE resident visa holder po. So, nagpunta po muna ako sa Jordan Embassy para magtanong po ng mga requirements for Jordan visa. Ang Jordan Embassy po ay malapit po sa Burjuman Station at pwede pag bumaba na po kayo doon, pwede na po yung lakarin na lang. Gamit po yung Google Map. For UAE resident po na may passport po, Philippine passport, ay pwede po kayo mag-apply ng visa via MOI application po. And then after that, pwede na kayo magpagbayad doon gamit yung credit card nyo at isasend na lang po yung visa nyo sa email. And then, good to go na po kayo. So, we booked Summer po as a private driver. At meron din po siyang private car. Our first stop po is in Jerash. Jerash po ay very popular po ito na site sa Amman. At itinayo po noong Roman era. At kung mahilig po kayo sa mga history and archaeological sites, ay magandang option po ito, ang Jerash. Pero ako kasi mahilig lang po ako maglakad-lakad at mag-model-model. Kaya yun na lang ang ambag ko.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again, I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will. You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me.
Yung next stop po natin ay ang Al June Castle. Medyo malayo po siya sa city, pero carry naman po ng car ni Summer. Maganda po ang view. Sa mountainside po kasi ito siya. Pero maganda naman po yung view dyan. Ayan, lakad-lakad na naman ang peg na yung tita nyo. Ayan. Sige, lakad lang ng lakad. Model-model lang. Ayan pa. Sige. Tapos, yan po yung sa loob na po yan. Actually, malamig po dyan sa loob. O nga po pala, may mga ticket po yung mga pinupuntahan namin. Hindi ko na po matandaan kung magkano po yung mga tickets. Pero I think pwede po kayo mag-avail sa application ng Jordan Pass. Andun na po lahat ng mga ticket. Kung gusto niyo po, i-add-ons niyo lang po doon. Sa Mountain Castle ay bumalaba na po kami sa city at nag-lunch po kami. Dinala po kami ni Summer sa isang kebab restaurant. So, fresh po at nagkunafa rin po kami na specialty po nila dito. After po ng lunch ay pumunta po kami sa isang Roman theater which is apakadami tao po dyan during that time na pumunta kami kasi parang off po ng mga katauhan dyan at parang naninibago sila sa mga tourist dyan, parang sinisipulan nila kami, so okay lang. Nakakita siguro sila ng maganda. So, carry lang din. So, ayan na. After po ng Roman Theater ay pinupunta po kami ni Summer sa may souvenir shop na kaibigan niya po. So, ayan, pili-pili lang. At naglakad-lakad din po sa downtown ng Amman. So, ayan, pili-pili lang at marami pong mga souvenir shop po dyan na kung gusto niyo pong bumili. Kaya lang, konti lang.
breaking molds, she's breaking rules. In a world that tries to push her down, she won't lose. She's standing tall, she's standing strong. In a world that tells her she don't belong, she's a woman like me, stop her. She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind. With every step she takes, she's owning the scene. A queen in her own right. living her dream. She's got that fire in her eyes, determination in her soul, breaking barriers, reaching goals, she's on a roll. She's a diamond in the rough, shining bright. A woman like her, she's a beautiful sight. She's breaking molds, she's breaking rules. In a world that tries to push her down, she won't lose. She's standing tall, she's standing strong. In a world that tells her she don't belong, she's a woman like me, unstoppable.